Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the new facial expressions in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see right here, it says new expressions are here. Get ready to face some new fun because we've got new facial expressions for your Prodigy wizards. So let's go ahead and look at what those look like. So if we go over to change style and then to the faces, you can see that we have the new ones. Let's look what Demir looks like. I don't even think there's a nose on this one, which is a bit odd. Then we have Koi, which, I'm not going to use because it looks like a girl's one, and my character's not a girl. Lively, I don't like the nose on this one. Naive, which was the one that I was using, but, as you can see, they kind of screwed it up now. The lips look weird. We got Spirited, which looks decent. It looks pretty much like what I think most people are going to use if you're a boy. Then we have Unbeat, which I don't like very much. So yeah. Before we get into the next one, if you are enjoying, make sure to like and subscribe. If we get to 2K by the end of the year, I will make this logo my logo for a week. So yeah, let's go ahead and get back into the video. So as you can see right here, we have the serious one. I don't like this one very much. Just the eyes closed doesn't look great to me. Then we have happy, which I don't like the eyes. It doesn't look good to me. Then if we go down, we have sneaky, which looks very odd. We have quiet, which I'm not going to use because it looks like a girl's one. Surprised. You can tell why I'm not going to use this. Joyful. It's decent. Catty, which I'm not going to use. Optimistic. Probably never going to use. Blush. You could probably figure out why I'm not going to use that. And adorable. Probably never going to use that. I'm using the cheerful one just for the memes. You're never gonna see my face. I'll put on perky just so you guys can, see what... And I hate this one. The nose looks weird. And the eyes look weird. But this is what my character is going to look like. You're not actually gonna see it because I'm wearing an infinite morph. I have a video on how to get that. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.